A light year sounds like time, but it's actually distance. It is the distance light travels in one full year. Light moves insanely fast, about 300,000 kilometers every second. In 1 year, that adds up to nearly 9.5 trillion kilometers. That number is so large that our brains struggle to imagine it. That's why scientists don't use kilometers for space. Even our closest star is so far away that normal numbers completely stop making sense. To understand how big a light year is, imagine this. If you could travel at the speed of the fastest rocket ever built, it would still take tens of thousands of years to reach a star just a few light years away. Even Pluto, the edge of our solar system, is only light hours away, not light years. Space grows empty and massive very fast, and Earth is sitting inside a tiny bubble compared to the real scale of the universe. The nearest star to our Sun, Proxima Centauri, is about 4.24 light years away. That means the light you see from it today actually left that star more than 4 years ago. You're always looking into the past when you look at space. The farther you look, the older the light becomes. Telescopes are not just tools for seeing far. They are time machines showing us ancient versions of the universe. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is about 100,000 light years wide. That means light itself needs 100,000 years just to cross it. Inside the single galaxy are hundreds of billions of stars, each with its own planets. And here's the scary part. The Milky Way is just one galaxy among trillions. Suddenly, even light years start to feel small when compared to the true size of the cosmos. When astronomers observe galaxies millions or billions of light years away, they are seeing them as they were long before Earth even existed. Some of the galaxies we see today may already be gone. Their light is still traveling through space, unaware that its source has changed or disappeared. Space doesn't update in real time. It sends ancient messages that arrive extremely late, carrying the history of the universe. Light years break our brains because humans evolved to understand short distances. We walk, drive, and fly, not travel between stars. Our intuition fails when numbers grow too large. A million seconds is only about 11 days, but a billion seconds is over 30 years. Light years work the same way. The numbers grow so fast that the difference between near and far becomes impossible to feel emotionally. Even traveling at the speed of light wouldn't make space feel small. From light's point of view, distance disappears. But for the rest of the universe, time continues. Humans cannot reach that speed, meaning light years remain an uncrossable wall with today's technology. That's why interstellar travel is still science fiction. Space is not just empty, it is vast beyond instinct, math, and imagination. Light years remind us how tiny we are, but also how special. Every signal we send into space will travel for years, centuries, maybe forever. Somewhere far away, in the distant future, light from Earth may reach another world. That light will show our planet as it once was. Long after we're gone, our story may still be traveling through space, one light year at a time. If you could draw a map of space to scale, Earth would disappear. The solar system would shrink into dust. Even stars would become invisible points. The problem is not just distance, it's scale. Everything familiar becomes meaningless. Space doesn't work in human proportions. It works in cosmic proportions, where entire worlds are just dots and entire civilizations could exist without ever knowing each other. Radio signals also travel at the speed of light. That means every message humanity has ever sent into space is trapped inside a growing bubble of light. That bubble is only about 100 light years wide. On a cosmic scale, that's nothing. Most of the galaxy will never know we existed. Our entire civilization is still just a whisper inside an endless ocean of silence. If an alien civilization lived 1,000 light years away, they wouldn't see modern Earth. They would see ancient humans, maybe even before cities existed. Space creates delay in reality itself. There is no universal now. Every point in the universe lives in a different moment of time. The present only exists locally. Beyond that, everything becomes memory traveling through darkness. Even black holes obey light years. Their gravity may be extreme, but their information still moves at the speed of light. Nothing in the universe breaks this limit. Light speed is the ultimate rule. That means distance always wins. No matter how advanced a civilization becomes, space still controls communication, travel, and survival. The universe is not built for fast connection. It's built for separation. Science fiction often makes space feel small. Jets jump between stars in minutes. Galaxies feel like neighborhoods. But real space is brutal, empty, cold, slow. The true universe is not cinematic. It's silent and massive. Light years aren't just numbers. They are barriers that define reality itself, turning the universe into isolated islands of matter floating in darkness. Time and distance merge in space. When we say light years, We are mixing movement and history into one word. Distance becomes time. Space becomes memory. The universe is not a place. It's a timeline stretched across darkness. Every photon is a messenger. Every star is a story. Every galaxy is a chapter written in light and spread across eternity. One day, our sun will die. Earth will vanish. Humanity may disappear completely. But the light from our planet will keep traveling. Somewhere far away, billions of years in the future, that light may pass by another world. It will carry the image of Earth as it once was, oceans, clouds, life, long after it no longer exists. Light years don't just measure distance. They measure how alone everything truly is. Every planet is isolated by time. Every star is locked in its own bubble of reality. The universe is not a connected place. It's a collection of distant worlds separated by darkness and delay. Light years are the walls of existence, and our minds were never built to understand them.